Hello viewers, we hope you are fit and fine. So today we will introduce a small tabletop magnifier which is LED illuminated. Model is ITM EST 1706 and it is sold by India Enterprises. It is a very useful product for examining small object under its lens. So let's start and see what is inside this box. You will get this magnifier inside this box, and a secure packing will ensure uh, its safety during transportation. And we need to just take out this packaging from this carton and remove the secure packing to take out the main unit. This is a very compact type magnifier which is illuminated by LEDs. You know, LEDs are having a very long life as compared to traditional type CFL and other light source. So you can see it can hold its position when placed on a flat surface. The entire body is ESD safe, and it is illuminated by a ring of LED lights. So we can adjust the height of the lens by just adjusting these flexible arm. AC power source is used to power on this magnifier. So we will use a 3-pin power plug to which will connect to the main AC power source to 220 to 230 volt AC power source. A small on off switch is provided on the body of this magnifier, which is used to switch on and off the magnifier. So we can see that we have now switched on this unit, and now we can see a brighter light is visible clearly, and we can see this lens also. uh, the size of lens is around 3 inch, and the main magnification is 3x, and as you know, we can see a small window of lens which is embedded to the main lens, and it is having a 4x magnification. So the combined magnification of these two lenses is 12x. So if from this small window we can see micro objects, and from the main lens we can see the slightly larger objects. So protection cover is provided on top of this lens to protect it from damaging. So we can use this protection cover when this magnifier is not in use, and it is also ESD safe. And we can see that the height of the lens, the main lens, can be adjusted by moving the arm upward or downwards. You can see that we can adjust the height of the lens, and similarly the head of this head magnifier can be rotated 180 degree to you know uh, cover a larger area. So we can see that the head of this magnifier can also be adjusted. It can be maneuvered according to the application, and as I already told you, its body is entirely ESD safe, and with the help of a surface stability meter we can check the ESD property also. So we will check its property. We can see that yes, with the help of a surface stability meter we can see it is within a permitted dissipative range. So this entire body is ESD safe, so you can use this magnifier inside the clean rooms and where ESD protection is required. So we can verify from different angles the ESD property. We can verify this is used for multi-purpose application for examining small SMD components or some other small objects under its lens. So this is a optical grade lens, and it gives a clearer image inside under this its lens. So you will find this product very useful for your application. So we highly recommend you to buy this product from India Enterprises, and it is worth for your application. Mm. So thanks for watching this video. We hope you will like this video. Thanks.